I'm sure you know that LinkedIn can be the best tool for you to get the next job. Having a LinkedIn profile is not enough. What if no one visits your LinkedIn profile? Don't you want the recruiters, hiring managers, and employers visit your profile and see how you are the best candidate for them? So, in this video, I'll give you the best technique to boost your LinkedIn profile views and attract recruiters to your LinkedIn profile. Alright, so let's dive in. If you're looking for the next best job, I want you to like this video and subscribe to my channel because I've been posting such job search tips and career growth related videos every week, so I do not want you to miss my next video. Okay, so first let us understand the fundamental concept of a social network, which is LinkedIn. See, LinkedIn wants you to have a profile, but also be active on the platform. If LinkedIn finds you active, then it rewards you for that. What do you mean by that? I'll tell you everything. I'm sure most of you have a good enough LinkedIn profile. If your profile is crappy, this video is not for you. Okay? Because just having people come to your LinkedIn profile will not be enough if your profile is incomplete. So make sure you watch my other YouTube video and complete all those strategies so that your LinkedIn profile will be all star. You will find the link to that video in the description. I'll also be giving you a link to LinkedIn profile checklist, which you can use to make sure your LinkedIn profile is all star. Okay, so first is having a powerful profile, but then being active on the platform. You might be logging into LinkedIn sometime, you might be reading some posts and probably liking some posts. That is like the minimum level of being active. The golden tip, the powerful technique for you on LinkedIn is commenting on others' posts. Okay, let me repeat. If you read good posts and comment on them, LinkedIn will reward you. So I'll come to the next thing, which is rewarding. What do you mean by LinkedIn rewarding you? LinkedIn will make sure you start finding relevant people, relevant posts on your feed. LinkedIn will make sure your profile be visible to relevant people. LinkedIn will make sure when people search for the keywords which are related to your industry, your skill set, you would be likely in the top 10, top 20. Okay? LinkedIn also tells you the metric, shows you the metric on your profile visits. If you use my powerful technique and not just one time, you keep on using it for few days and week consistently, I bet you your LinkedIn profile visits will keep on increasing. This one technique I've been using myself to boost my profile visibility, and all my students who are mid-career professionals have been using this. Okay, so this technique works, and this is the powerful way of telling LinkedIn which people you want to follow, which type of conversations you get in, what is your industry and skill set. So LinkedIn kind of calculates in its algorithm and it starts showing relevant people and they come to your profile, and when the recruiters start searching, they will find your profile. All right, so this is the powerful technique. I want you to use this. I know what you will ask me now. Arshad, how do we find good posts to comment on? See, if you have just started on LinkedIn, if you have very few subscribers, your LinkedIn feed might not be that great. Okay. What you will have to do is first follow the right people on LinkedIn. What do I mean by right people? The people who are in your industry and domain, who have similar skill set, people who are industry leaders in your domain, creators who write related to your industry, or creators like me who write about skill development, career development, personal development, or like industry leaders like Ratan Tata, such industry leaders. You will have to start searching for them, finding them and following them. Okay, if you start doing this first step, I'm sure LinkedIn will show you more and more relevant people and you start following them as well. Okay, so this is the way to find powerful people and relevant posts for you to comment on. Now, the next question I'm sure in your mind is, okay, Harshad, what do I write in my comment? First of all, I do not want you to comment like, great, good job, congratulations, I like this post, thank you for sharing. These are very crappy comments, okay? You won't get any mileage by commenting like this, all right? See, you got to understand first thing, when you comment on someone's post, you first make sure the person sees your comment and person then comments back to you probably. That author also visits your profile. When that author comments on your comment, that author's connections also visit your profile, and when you comment, your network also sees that you have commented. Alright, so suddenly you get that burst of profile visibility. I hope you have understood this by now. So now it comes, when you are getting so many people to see your comment, don't you want a good comment, right? So I'll tell you 4 strategies for you to write really a good comment. All right. Now, first I have to tell you a few things about commenting. Before commenting on any post, make sure you read that post. Okay. Sometimes the title of the article or the first line of that post might not be revealing the real thing. So make sure you read about that post. Make sure that post is relevant to your area of expertise, your domain skill set. Okay, don't comment on random posts like you don't know anything about. Okay, you want right people to find you. You have to be strategic. I want you to get maximum ROI from your efforts on LinkedIn. Okay, so make sure you read, you read the post and always comment on relevant posts. Now, I'll tell you what do you write. I'm giving you 4 strategies. First strategy is add value to the post. Read the post and what can you bring in more? Can you bring an additional perspective? Can you say, hey author, tag that person, you have only thought about this, but what about this? You're adding value to the post. If the author has put 5 strategies to do something, 6 steps to complete that, can you add the 7th step? Can you add another strategy? Can you add data, links, or can you add relevant sources? Let's say that topic is about one particular that post is about one particular topic. You have recently read a Forbes article on the same topic. Can you put that link in the comment? That, hey, I found your post useful. This particular article digs deeper into this aspect which is covered in your post. You're adding value to your post. So the author will like you and other people will also find you expert in your field. That's the single most idea here. Okay. Second strategy for writing the comment is offer a compliment. Okay. You tell author, I like your post, but not just say this. This is one thing I found the most useful part of your post, or this is one fundamental or key learning I got in your post. If you got this point, what I want you to do, I want you to comment on my post. If you're seeing this on YouTube, comment below the video. If you're seeing it on LinkedIn, comment below the LinkedIn post. Okay? One key learning you got from my content. Alright, so this is the second strategy. Now, third strategy, you can offer constructive feedback. See, in some cases, you might not be in full agreement with what author is saying. Instead of going directly attacking, what you do, you offer a feedback in a constructive way. You can ask a clarifying question. Hey author, you said this. What did you mean by that? Or what are your thoughts about this aspect? You're asking a clarifying question. Let author answer that. You can also explain any particular advice you have got from your experience. That author is talking about that technology. You're saying, hey, you know what? I use this technology in my last project. This technology also works, and actually it is better in these aspects. You're adding value, but you're offering another opinion and a constructive feedback. Or you can completely include an alternate solution that no, this thing, I rarely find this in industry. This is what is very popular in industry in India. You can suggest an alternate solution, but make sure you are backing it up with data and examples, and it should come from your experience. Now, the fourth strategy for you to write comments is comment on other comments. Suppose you find that post is having 10 more comments. Comment on their comments. Suppose that those other people are asking a question to the author. If you can answer that question, great. If that other comment is about particular thing, you also agree with them, add to that. Okay, so use the previous three strategies on other people comments. What will happen? The people who are commenting will also see your comment. They might reply, author might reply, and in this way, your network, that commenters network, authors network sees you. Getting my point? This is the most powerful way of getting instant profile visits boost on your LinkedIn profile. Okay, this system works. Before closing this video, I just have to tell you one more thing about commenting guidelines. Okay, LinkedIn is a professional platform. Make sure you don't go direct on people. Be professional, courteous, gracious, generous at all times. Even if you do not agree with that thing, there are better ways of disagreement. Use those. Okay, don't criticize people. Why? Because the author, your network, author's network is going to see your behavior, and it is going to actually reflect on your character rather than their character. Okay, make sure you are professional, courteous, generous. While commenting, check your grammar, pronunciation, punctuation, spelling, and don't self-promote. The idea of commenting is to add value to the conversation. Okay, this is not the time to self-promote. Because of commenting, let people come to your profile and then they will find you useful or whatever. That's during comment, stick to the topic of the post. Now, one last bonus step for you is use this powerful technique. Do this and repeat. Okay, just writing one comment, just being active on one day will not be enough. What do? Just allocate 10 minutes, 15 minutes a day, maybe during your travel or during your lunch break or when you're relaxing at night. Do this every week, maybe few hours a week. Allocate this time. I guarantee you within couple of weeks, you will find that metric of profile visits going up. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful. Comment on this video and post so that I'll know that you have started implementing my technique. Okay, my best wishes for your job search. I do live webinars every week. In 1.5 hours, I cover a power-packed job search process for you, a step-by-step process for you, which will reduce your rejections, will help you get the best job. If you want to attend that, you will find that link also in the description below. Till the next time, bye-bye.